everything I need to do to rack a pinion. And now I'm looking at the tie rods. I should have known that. I should probably get some new tie rods. But I'm about to look that up and see how much these motherfuckers cost. Because I'm trying to get this done before Sunday so I can go get an alignment by Monday, Tuesday. Alright, 2 hours in. Been going around the stores mainly the last 2 hours. Trying to get it. Anyway, tried to knock the tie rod out. I had to get new tie rod ends because these ones are FUBAR. Got a free bucket from Harbor Freight. Got this tie rod end joint. Pulley, whatever puller thing. Let's get these tie rods out. Alright, got the driver's side off. That shit. I was looking right as it popped. That shit could have knocked my teeth out. Anyway, time to move on to the passenger side. This bitch was stubborn. I couldn't get this to grip. Whatever. Anyway, I got the big sledgehammer. Big fucking hammer. Got it popped out, so I'm gonna take it off. Yeah. And I can start removing the 2 bolts from the whatever cross frame came over, whatever you want to call it, and to remove the high and low pressure line and the nut from the steering column. Alright, the only thing holding the racket, I disconnected that bolt. That way, oh, this is disconnected, and I unbolted the steering column bolt. Gotta take that out. Then the last 2 things is the high and low pressure hose line from the power steering, and then if I run out of time, hopefully not, I'm gonna put the new one up in there and let it drain before I put the new one up in there, and I'll button it up tomorrow. Alright, so the old rack is completely out. Those are the high pressure, low pressure power steering lines. Look at that. Pow. Boom, boom. Ready for the new one to go in. I'm doing that shit tomorrow, not today. Alright, old rack. Look at these. So I'm out here under the Mustang, about to finally put the new rack in, and I was when I took the old washers off, and I was gonna put the new washers on, and I look at the high pressure side and go to put it on there, and this motherfucking thing is already cracked out the package. Like, I bought this maybe, I don't know, a couple months ago, but still, I didn't even realize that. But I mean, the high pressure side's good, but now I gotta go to O'Reilly's and get some more. Damn it. Okay, well, I went to put the high pressure side on, and that motherfucker cracked too. Excuse my language. Still early in the morning. Help! Help! Alright. Okie dokie. I got the new washers, got the high pressure line washer on. Now I'm gonna do the low pressure. It's very tedious. I had mounted up the new rack, but I took it back down so I could get the line. This the low pressure line was a bitch to make sure it lined up and it was going sideways, all kind of shit. Anyway, and then I gotta reach up in here for this little tiny hole and grab the steering column that's all floppity flippity. Excuse me, I sneezed so my nose is dripping. I had to get this rope. Anyway, I'm gonna have to pull it forward to stick the whatever. I'm about to take a break. I've taken this damn rack out about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. I cannot get the steering column. It can only go in there one way. It's only like one pattern, but like, I cannot get that bitch to sink on there. My neck is starting to hurt peeing in this car. I'm gonna take another break. I've only taken 1 break, and I'll figure this bullshit out. Alright, I packed up everything. I'm done with Getting Guard today. I started like at 12 o'clock, and it's like, I don't even know what time it is. 4 o'clock? Yeah, something like that. Anyway, I got the new rack in there. Still gotta line it up to make sure the tie rods and everything closest to alignment as I can get before I get the alignment. I need another pair of hands, somebody inside the car to slightly turn the steering wheel for me to line that up, but, accomplishment. Got my bench pressing in for today. Taking this thing out over and over again. Start back on it tomorrow, Saturday. One of them. My neck hurts. Alright, new rack is in. Wheel's kind of off-centered.
tiny bit. That's fine. I'm hella nervous. I flushed the system, and it's time. Hopefully the battery's not dead. It's time to start it, and hopefully I did everything right. Alright, so hopefully this battery's not dead. Let's go. I'm so nervous.
Oh shit. I left you recording in my pocket.
No leaks!
The power steering, quiet it down some. Oh. These shit balls. No leaks. That was some little mess I made yesterday. No new drips. Hell yeah.
Alright, sorry, the camera set down. This is gonna be first drive. I am nervous as hell. Alright. I'm so nervous. Alright, after myself, I couldn't see shit out the back window. I didn't risk this one, but let's go. I didn't film shit. Anyway, the brake shields are rubbing against the rotors, I think, so I gotta fix that.
3 weeks later.
My tires, new tires, old tires, new tires. I staying at the shop today. Finished new tires. We didn't get to do a stretch. Check the back brakes. I'll do my alignment next Monday. Come back, do the AC today. But yeah.
3 hours later.
Tried to do a sealant test. No pressure in it. AC for the manifold. Still no pressure. Now I'm gonna go grab one of the big AC machines. See if I can pull a vacuum. Grab a big boy snap on. Why the fuck that shit zoomed in, but put this AC port on there. A low pressure side. Stuck on there. Screw it down. I need 2 hands for this side. Look at that. Oh, it's going in the vacuum. Wow.
Man, that's open water is effective right away.
Alright. Damn. You ever seen one do it from the compressor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
1 week later.
The line in the back. Alright, well, gotta leave the Mustang here at the shop, so gotta order a new master cylinder, but it's all aligned and everything, so I'm about to take my ass home, and then I gotta come back up here for AC. So I'll see you later, bitch.